Greetings, greetings. You're looking at the 3-bag collection. These are all upcycled from a pair of men's Dockers, dress Dockers, and a pair of kids' camo pants. We got the little one, we got the middle one, and today we're going to talk about this one. This one is the last of that collection. I think I may have just enough scraps to mix with something else. Greetings, greetings. Again, this is Jennifer from Jennifer's Closet here on YouTube, bringing you the last of this 3-bag collection. It's going to be over on our Etsy shop at 4txsisters.com. So go over there and check us out. Favorite us if you would. Anyway, let's talk about this bag. We're going to get some real quick measurements on it just to give you a little bit of perspective. I'll try to do that more often. If you're curious, you can always contact me and I will tell you. Okay, that's roughly when that's pulled out, not counting the pocket, that's going to be at least 11.5 by at least 11.5 on that seam line, and that's kind of over, but I also am not right on the seam. So, makes sense. I think I cut this out on 12.5 by 12.5 square. So, got a pocket here from the camo pants. We're going to give you some perspective on size. I-97 Samsung phone. Quick measurement. Should have been more prepared. Anyway, okay, the phone is 5. This thing is 7.5. 4 here, and I think 2 and something there. Anyway, this bag, this is not going to fit well in there. It could, and you could even shove it under there. This fits fine, both this way. This way, easy peasy. I think that'll fit over there. Chapstick for me would go there. My wallet would go there. My wallet is about this size, folded over. I've got another pair of Docker pants that I use for a camo bag for me. That's where I put my wallet. Flipping it over. Of course, the strap is adjustable. You do have this side pocket. This big pocket here. Easy peasy to put something in. There's a smaller that was actually on the pair of pants. It comes down to about here. Chapstick. easy fix there. D-ring here. If it were mine, I'd be hooking my carabiner on there and throwing my keys either in here or the same this way. It's got little grab me and go loops there. Let's look inside. Okay, it's all hand dyed. This fabric was really bizarre to dye. I had to dye it a couple of times to even get any color in it. Not all fabric is created equal. When you're upcycling it from something else, you may not even know what the actual content is. The dye I use is pretty specific on what it'll take, but it also forgives. So, anyway, we got 2 belt loops. We got belt loop there and there. Got a nice big pocket, side to side. Easy peasy to put that phone in there. Another pocket. I would be putting my chapstick and sunjing and my loose end kind of stuff in there. Places to put your pens or pencils or markers so they don't wander around in the bottom of the bag. Nice big pocket there. Easy to put something like that. It expands out. If this will fit, we all know the phone is going to fit. So, and this dye project here took 3 or 4 times to get it to where I wanted it, and it picked up all sorts of weird stuff out of the dye itself, little blotches of color, but it is what it is. It's upcycled fabric, and I accept it no matter how it comes out because it's beautiful. Beautiful. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, watching my video. Don't forget to visit our Etsy shop, which is where you'll probably find this bag until it's sold. For txsisters.com. Our blog is for texassisters.com, and this video is coming to you from Jennifer's Closet. Subscribe to my channel, please. I need some subscribers so I can customize my URL. Peace. Love ya. I'm out of here.